Being a logical and analytical person shaped by my higher education, I had unknowingly allowed my spiritual walk and ability to hear God's voice to be overshadowed. I felt stuck. No matter how much I prayed, no matter how much I fasted, I was unable to break free from the invisible chains that held me captive. But that all changed here. First, I discovered the deep wounds from my past were still silently affecting my daily walk with God. It was a revelation that shook me to my core. I have reclaimed my spiritual clarity and rediscovered my deep connection with God. 2, the weight of past traumas have been lifted, and I'm now able to walk in freedom, joy, and a renewed sense of purpose. The healing process they led me through has set me free in ways I never imagined possible. To be clear, each of the pain of those traumas on a scale of 10 to 1 went to 0 in a matter of minutes. Their approach is not just a quick fix or a band-aid solution. It is deeply personal and comprehensive journey towards true wholeness and liberation. With their compassionate hearts and their skilled guidance, they created such a safe space where I felt comfortable sharing my deepest wounds and insecurities. I have quickly experienced results of lasting transformation. I cannot express enough gratitude for the profound impact this investment had on my life. I urge you not to wait another minute to schedule a discovery call with Mr. Stokes and his team to see if God's telling you to pursue this opportunity. Their guidance and support is invaluable. I understand that financial concerns may arise, but I want to encourage you not to let that hold you back. Investing in your healing is an investment in yourself, your well-being, and your future. You are worth every penny, and the freedom and transformation that await you are priceless. Take the courageous step forward and prioritize your healing. Don't let anything hinder you from embracing the abundant life that God has for you.